Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Horizon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today we're diving into an in-depth review of Kucoin, one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges out there. We'll cover its features, security, fees, and much more. And don't forget, if you decide to sign up, use our referral code r83QNF1 for exclusive bonuses. Let's get started. First, let's talk about Kucoin itself. Founded in 2017, Kucoin has quickly become a major player in the cryptocurrency market. With a mission to provide a secure and efficient trading environment, Kucoin offers a variety of services tailored to both new and experienced traders. Kucoin operates globally, providing access to users in multiple countries. Their mission is to make cryptocurrency trading accessible and user-friendly for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Kucoin has something to offer. Now let's dive into the key features and services that Kucoin offers. Kucoin supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to the latest altcoins. Whether you're into spot trading, futures, margin trading, or even staking, Kucoin has got you covered. Kucoin Earn allows you to stake your coins and earn interest, and the Kucoin Launchpad provides early access to promising new projects. These features make Kucoin a versatile platform for all types of traders. Security is a top priority for Kucoin. They use two-factor authentication, cold storage for the majority of funds, and regular security audits. Plus, they have an insurance fund to cover any potential breaches, which adds an extra layer of protection. Recently, Kucoin has upgraded its asset security system, enhancing its overall protection measures. This commitment to security helps build trust and ensures that your funds are safe. Next, let's talk about trading fees. Kucoin offers competitive fees starting at just 0.1%. You can further reduce these fees by using their native token. Compared to other major exchanges, Kucoin's fees are very competitive, which is great for maximizing your returns. They also have low withdrawal and deposit fees, making it an attractive option for traders of all sizes. The user interface on Kucoin is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. The website and app are easy to navigate, with all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll find the platform straightforward and efficient. User feedback often highlights the ease of navigation and the powerful trading tools available. The mobile app is particularly well designed, allowing you to trade on the go with ease. Customer support is another crucial aspect, and Kucoin doesn't disappoint. They offer 24/7 support via live chat and email. Additionally, Kucoin has a vibrant community forum and a wealth of educational resources to help you get the most out of your trading experience. Having 24/7 support means you can get help whenever you need it. The community forum is also a great place to learn from other traders and share your experiences. Kucoin is also committed to regulatory compliance. They have taken significant steps to meet requirements in various jurisdictions, ensuring a safe and legal trading environment for all users. This commitment to compliance helps build trust and ensures that Kucoin remains a reliable platform for trading. So, what are the pros and cons of using Kucoin? On the plus side, you have a wide range of cryptocurrencies, competitive trading fees, advanced security measures, and excellent customer support. On the downside, some users have noted that the sheer number of features can be overwhelming at first, and there are occasional regulatory challenges. Overall, the advantages far outweigh the disadvantages, making Kucoin a top choice for crypto traders. Kucoin has recently made significant updates and improvements, including an upgraded asset security system and enhanced brand value. These changes have positively impacted the overall user experience, making Kucoin even more reliable and user-friendly. With these updates, Kucoin continues to innovate and provide top-notch services for its users. To wrap things up, Kucoin is a robust and reliable platform with a lot to offer. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, Kucoin has the tools and features to support your trading journey. Remember to use our Kucoin referral code r83QNF1 when you sign up to enjoy some fantastic bonuses and reduced trading fees. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips and reviews. Also, let us know in the comments if you've used Kucoin and what your experience has been. Happy trading with Kucoin. Until next time, happy trading with Kucoin, and don't forget to use the referral code r83QNF1.